Hello again, Mavericks! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today. Today's video is a game changer because, you see, we're living in a world where career growth and personal development are changing faster than ever before. It's exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. That's why we Mavericks don't just adapt, we innovate. We rewrite the rules and take control of our growth. And today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to supercharge your productivity, excel in your role, and get that promotion you've been aiming for. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps and the tools to take your career to the next level. Let's dive in. The case for AI and career growth. Think about this. AI isn't just for tech experts. It's your personal productivity coach, your research assistant, and even your creativity booster. Companies are looking for employees who innovate, stay ahead of the curve, and deliver results. Leveraging AI can make you indispensable at work. Actionable steps to boost productivity with AI. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps you can implement today. Step 1. Use AI for task management. Start by integrating AI-powered tools like ClickUp, Asana, or Notion AI into your daily workflow. These platforms don't just organize your tasks, they can prioritize them, automate reminders, and even summarize project updates. Imagine preparing for a team presentation. Notion AI can draft key points from your notes, saving hours of prep time. That's time you can use to focus on delivering a killer presentation. Step 2. Master time management with AI scheduling tools. AI tools like Clockwise or Motion. Analyze your calendar to schedule deep work time, eliminate overlaps, and minimize distractions. If you're juggling meetings and deadlines, these tools ensure you have dedicated blocks for focused work, making you more productive and less stressed. Step 3. Upskill faster with AI learning platforms. Now at this moment in the video, I want to say if you've been enjoying this video so far, please indicate your support by clicking the like button and become a Maverick by subscribing to the channel to hear about and learn important tips and hacks to improve your career and personal development. Now back to the learning. Continuous learning is key to standing out. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera now use AI to recommend courses tailored to your career goals. For example, if your company is adopting new software, these platforms can fast-track your learning with curated content, positioning you as the go-to expert on the team. Step 4. Streamline communication with AI writing tools. AI-powered writing assistants like Grammarly Go or ChatGPT can help you write clear, impactful emails, reports, and proposals. So here's a pro tip. Use ChatGPT to draft a professional yet persuasive email when negotiating with clients or stakeholders. It's like having a virtual communications coach. Step 5. Demonstrate impact with AI data insights. AI tools like Tableau and Power BI turn complex data into actionable insights. Use these insights to demonstrate your value to leadership. For example, instead of saying, "I helped increase sales," present a dashboard showing, "Sales grew by 15% due to my campaign strategy." Numbers speak louder than words. Hacks and insider tips. Here are a few quick hacks to maximize your AI-driven productivity. Automate repetitive tasks with tools like Zapier or IFTTT. Use AI for brainstorming. Tools like MindMeister and Miro help you organize ideas visually. Track your progress with AI-powered habit trackers like Habitissa or Streaks. Mavericks, I've provided you with quite a number of AI tools and strategies, as well as the knowledge to make AI your secret weapon for success. It's time to take action. Are you winning at job searching and career development using AI? Let us know in the comments section. Tell us your favorites and how that AI enhanced your job search. We'd love to know. I talked about more AI tools to use in your job search in the last video, which I encourage you to watch. The link is in the description box below. And if this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's the best way to stay ahead in your career journey. Ready for more? Thinking about one-to-one coaching? Or you have a question, email me at hello@the Job Search Maverick. Kame's always thank you for being part of the Maverick community. Remember, you have what it takes to thrive in this ever-evolving landscape. I'm Rhea, your host, and the Job Search Maverick. Stay bold, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make things happen!